Use the drop-down options to the right of the map to select features on the map: year, geography type, indicator type, and specific indicators. Select a geography in the map to compare its estimate to the statewide estimate on the tables to the right of the map. Hover over a geography to view a tooltip that includes the geography's estimate and other socio-demographic information. Use the address lookup tool to search for an address and find the census tract and legislative districts that it is part of. Copy the name of your address's geography, and then filter by geography type, in this case census tracts. Then go to the Search Geography Name text box and paste in the geography name and hit Enter. The map will zoom to your address's geography. Use the search feature in the map to zoom to a county, city, or neighborhood on the map. Grouping geographies together to create custom estimates of those groupings can be done by hitting the Control button and then selecting multiple geographies on the map. You can also go to your Map Options tool and select an oval tool, rectangle tool, or lasso tool to draw out group geographies on your map.